I know most people do like the while they're in their bed, in their day in my life videos, but today I'm just gonna start because it's really early. It's not like super early. You're about to see because I'm about to drive out of my garage. It's early enough to the point where I'm just gonna take y'all along on my day. I don't have like a lot going on, but you know, day in my life is supposed to be realistic. It looks like there's something on the floor at my house, so give me a second. My husband's thing to his keychain. It's like, ain't nobody like tagging my house. All right, so like I was saying, it is early in the morning and I have to get back into the gym. I think it's been like maybe over 2 months since I've actually put in effort, putting effort into working out, and that's just, it's no bueno. It's not me. And apparently when I stopped working out, I gained weight, and it's just like, ain't that about a bitch? So today I'm starting my morning off really early. Everybody's still asleep, and I'm gonna go to the gym for about an hour. I went to the gym yesterday because I'm going to a new gym now, and I like it. I like it a lot. So because I like it so much, I'm gonna go ahead and you know you like the new environment, so you're probably like more likely to go. So I'm going today because I went yesterday. Yesterday was just like my trial run, just to see like how I liked it. Today I'm going to actually work out. So I'm gonna do some warm-ups, I'm gonna do some cardio, and I'm gonna do a push-pull day. And I'm gonna try to like get on that type of schedule. Yeah, so I'm going to the gym. At that point. Okay, so that was a nice workout, you know, kind of getting back. Oh, let me turn this down. That was a really nice workout, kind of getting back into the swing of things. I love coming over in this area. I used to come over in this area to go to the gym, and then the gym that I was going to, it closed down. So, you know, we was having some withdrawals. So then I was like, okay, they put up another one, but for a while I was just going to Planet Fitness. And, you know, Planet Fitness was cool. It was dope. But, sometimes, you know, like the way a gym is can give you like the energy to go, and the Planet Fitness that I was going to just wasn't giving that energy. So I back over to the area with the gym that is now in place of the gym that I used to go to, because I used to go to Gold. So it's not Gold anymore, it's something completely different, which is cool. I actually like the way they designed it. It definitely puts you in the mood to work out. I had a great workout. I went all the way through. I was upset though because I did not wear my watch, and usually that's how I hold myself accountable and like, you know, stay on track of like what I'm doing. But whatever, we just gonna bypass that. I wanted to pick up some Starbucks coffee, but I have to get back to my kids because I have 3 kids, if you don't know. they're all in elementary school, but my youngest is 4, so she goes to pre-K, and she goes to like afternoon pre-K. So she is going to be left alone if I don't get home by the time it's time for her sisters to leave. So no Starbucks here, darling, but we could definitely make it on our own at home, and that's probably what I'm gonna end up doing. I also have some contractors coming to my house, and I was supposed to film today, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that. I might still do it just because, like, I can't be letting these people get in between me and my progress. I hate that color there. How do y'all put these on? I just kiss it because it's mine. So I'm gonna listen to some music and drive home. Okay. So I know we're back in the car. I have Callie with me now. I actually have a free ball from Noodles & Company, so I'm gonna go pick that up because it's lunchtime. The contractor just finished, so I'm definitely not gonna be able to film today, and that's fine. I'm just gonna add it on to Friday. Friday will be an extra film day. But for now, I'm gonna go pick up my food and call it a day. So I'm gonna go pick up my food. Yeah, I'm gonna go pick up my food, and then I'm gonna come back. I'm just going to probably dedicate most of this day to editing. So I have to take a shower. So I have to take a shower and I need to edit. And it's raining, it's gross. I had coffee this morning. Yeah, now it's raining and my hair is straight, but it's not gonna be for long. I'm definitely gonna wash it this weekend. I like to do it on like a Friday morning. So my hair looks super dirty and gross on Friday, and the video I post or the video I film, you know what? So Callie and I are back at the house. We got the goods. Callie will be indulging in some mac and cheese. And me, I can't remember what this is called, but it's like the stuffed cheesy pasta. And it's got like mushrooms and yummy stuff, and I'm gonna watch my show. There you go. The contractor left a little later than I anticipated, so I'm a little bummed about not filming, but it's fine. Oh, and if I don't film by a certain time, I ain't filming. So, let's go ahead. Let's go. So day in my life moment, I'm walking right now currently. Took my daughter to her bus stop, and I am actually extremely tired. I am sleepy probably from waking up early and going to work out. I don't know, and I've had lunch, but like at least I'm walking. Like I'm walking, so this counts as extra, like working out. But I definitely think what I want to do is take a nap. I definitely want to take a nap. So, look. But this weight isn't going to lose itself. So I'm going to go in the house and I'm going to take a nap. Shower first, then take a nap. Because I definitely wore this to the gym this morning. And yeah, can't take a nap like this, so I'm gonna take a shower. Y'all hear it. Y'all hear the fans. So I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I'm about to take a nap. I'm gonna try to get like 30 minutes because nobody's home. Nobody's here to bother me, so it's the perfect time. I also want to read, but I don't want to do that when I know I'm fairly sleepy, and I'm always trying to get naps in and I never can. So all that woo 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 y'all hear, those are my fans. They are my babies. I'm also trying to get into a relaxing situation with, like, I got this little tea warmer for my birthday. So I'll check in with y'all when it's around dinner time. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but I'll probably wrap this day in my life around there. Okay, so after I went to the grocery store, I made some french fries with like cheese, and I took like leftover chicken and shredded it on top. It was delicious. A great idea if you are trying to make a quick and easy dinner. Sorry, I'm actually really tired. So it's getting late. So I'm gonna make myself some tea. Get some water. And call it a night. Hey y'all, this is Editing Low. Sorry about this. I actually forgot to, say goodbye, leave an outro. So I'm doing it right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, beauties, stay